Okay guys, siz sağlaştığınız keledi. Qaranglar ekranga. Last week, Mrs. Mills went to London. She does not know London very well, and she lost her way. Okay. Endi o'tgan hafta Mills xonim Londonga bordi. Okay, endi misharaki went to deganimiz go to deganning nima shakli o'tgan shakli. Demak, endi vaqt ravishga last week degan. And the feelning qaysi shakli o'tgan zaman shakli. Going went. Demak, o'tgan hafta Londonga bordi. Mrs. Mills went to London. She does not know London very well. Okay, know something very well degan intan yaxshi bilmak degan gap, ha. And does not know something very well bu inkor bo'lsa, London ancha yaxshi qanday qilmaydi, bilmaydi. Demak, hamda bu aritga holati shunami bilmaslik. Okay. She does not know London very well. And she does not know London bo'lsa, Londonni bilmaydi degan gap. Masalan, she does not know London at all. Londonni faqatlam bilmaydi. Londonni faqatlam bilmaydi. Endi very well ancha yaxshi bilmaydi degan gap menda Londonni ozroq biladi, lekin ancha pishiq emas demakchi. Masalan, I know you very well. Men sizni bek yaxshi bilmayman. Demak, hamda bu shu deganda onun ekan hamda shu idiomatic expression deb bir expression bor. Bu nima desanlar? Shu men sizni bashqoldek tushunaman deydigan gap bor uyg'urchada. İngilizce nima deydi desanlar? Ona I can read you like a book. I can read you like a book. Men sizni o'qiy olayman. I can read like xuddi daktak a book. Bir kitobdek. Men sizni kitobdeklam o'qiy olayman. Demak, endi men sizni bek tushunaman. Bashqo'lamni tushungandek qana qilaman, tushunaman degan gap, ha. I can read you like a book. I know you very well. And she lost her way. Hamda qana qildi desanlar? O nimasini qana qilib qo'ydi? Yo'ldan ezib qoldi. And lose somebody's way deganimiz yo'lda ezib qolmoq. Yo'lni turib qo'ymoq shunaqmi? And lost her way bo'lsa, o yo'ldan qana qildi? Ezib qoldi. Demak, hamda mishara went to last hammasi nima desanlar? Shu fe'llarning o'tgan zaman shakli. Masalan, went deganimiz go'ningki, last deganimiz lose-ningki degandek. Ana men known talaffuz qilganda know demaymiz, jimi? I know, you know, I don't know, she doesn't know. Deydigan gap. Okay. Keyingisi qaranglar. Suddenly she saw a man near a bus stop. Okay. Tuyuqsiz u bir odamni ko'rdi. U odam shu bekatga yaqin yerda bir tug'an bir odamni ko'rdi. Near a bus stop. Bekatga yaqin bir odamni qanaqto ko'rdi. I can ask him the way, she said to herself. Men uningdan yo'l so'rasam bo'ladi, u o'ziga dedi. Masalan, she said to herself, and said deganimiz sayni o'tgan zaman shakli. U o'ziga qanaq qildi dedi. Masalan, I said to myself bo'lsa, men o'zimga qanaq qildim dedim degan gap bo'ldi. I said to myself, she said to herself, okay, I can ask him the way. Men uningda yo'l so'rasam bo'ldi. Excuse me, men aytib buyuraman. Can you tell me the way to King Street, please? She said. And can you tell me the way? Can you tell me degan mangda bilalamsiz. The way to King Street, the way to some place deganimiz bir yak bordigan yo'l degan gap, ha. Masalan, the way to g'oya, g'oyaga bordigan yo'l. The way to Edga, Edgaga bordigan yo'l. And uyga bordigan yo'l degani the way home. Okay, and my home degan yerda shaklsiz narsa. Shaklsiz ism bo'lg'achqa. Shaklsiz hamda bir abstrakt ism bu, hamda bu atani o'zimizda turadigan bir yana home deymiz. Bu bir xil hamda ma'vola hissiy jihatga yana ko'rsatadi. Endi ma house bo'lgan bo'lsa, to'rt temva ya'ni house deymiz. Lekin ma home deganimiz shaklsiz shunga hamda go to home demaymiz yoki way to home deymiz. Way home deymiz. So can you tell me the way home? Uyga boradigan yo'lni bilalamsiz? Can you tell me the way to King Street? King Street boradigan yo'lni bilalamsiz? Itga qanday boradi? Degan nima deymiz? Can you tell me the way to Itga? Shunami? Ham Dabaza qanday boradi? Can you tell me the way to Dabaza? Cho'ngbaza? Shunami? She said. U dedi demakchi. Hamda tanımagan adamni yo'l so'rgan nima? Excuse me, deb so'raydi xushnago. Okay. The man smiled pleasantly. O adam qanday qildi? Nayati xushalolda kulimsirabdi. Pleasantly. Mush alvoy degan hamda ravish xushal holda. Ma pleasant degan xushallik bo'lsa, pleasantly bo'lsa xushal holda. Yani he did not understand English. O inglizceni tushunmadi. Okay. İngilizceni tushunmadi. Demak, hamda ayol degan gapni qanday qilmoqda? Tushunmabdi shunami? Understand English. He spoke German. O germancha so'zildi. Ani bu yerga spoke deganimizdan nima? Speak degandan keyin o'tgan zaman shakli. You know, he spoke German. You know, he was a tourist. O bir nima edi? Sayohatchi edi. He was a tourist. Tourist desak bo'lmaydi. Tourist. Agar hamda bu shu BP bilan bo'lgan bo'lsa hamda, chunki hamda bu odamniki sayohatchilikka ilgari shu o'tib bo'lgan sharkat hamda shunga ham yari was a tourist. Hamda men hozir bo'lsa u bo'lsa bir sayohatchi dedi. He is a tourist dedi. Shunami? Hamda u bir sayohatchi dedi. Demak hamda men ayol asli millarini so'zlab o'tirib, yoki men ayolning asli millarini bayon qilyapti hamda bu yerda ko'ying. Shunga he was a tourist. U bir sayohatchi dedi. Then he put his hand into his pockets and took out a phrase book. Okay, took out a phrase book. Okay, and misharika put something into deganimiz ichiga solmoq. Masalan, put his hand into his pocket. Qo'lini qanday qilmoq? Yanchuqning ichiga solmoq yoki qo'lini yanchuq solmoq degan gap. Albatta took out degan ep chiqmoq, shunami? Bu take out ning nima shakli? O'tgan zaman shakli. Take out no o'tgan zaman shakli. Demak took out a phrase book. Endi u qo'lini yanchuqqa silib bir tal so'z iboralar nimasini qo'llanmasnapti. Masalan qarasanglar English phrase book. Endi bu buningda masalan yaxshimisiz? Bu yoqqa men deganda nima deydi? Qancha pul deganda nima deydi? Qisqa iboralar bor, endi kitobcha nima deymiz? Phrase book deymiz. Endi men yerga putninki o'tgan zaman shaklimi put bo'llar. Mushu AA shakldagi masalan oddiy oziq zaman shakli va o'tgan zaman shakli o'xshashlar bor. Masalan put sit degandekchi. Put all right. Onunkin read yozilish o'xshash, o'qilish o'xshamaydi xolos. And he opened the book and found the phrase. And u kitobni ochdi, echib qanday bir iborani topdi. Bir so'z iborani debdi. And he read the phrase slowly. U jumlani aytib astag'fir, I'm sorry, he said. Kechiring, u dedi. I do not speak English. Okay, I do not speak English. Men qanday qilmay ingliz so'zlamayman. Demak, hamda shu so'zlayolmaydiganligini qanday desanglar. Nihoyat tez deb qanday qildi? Deb chiqdi. Demak, nihoyat kulkilikka shunami. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi darsimizniki language focus. Qaranglar. Read quickly and answer. Kitobni qarab qanchalik javob bersanglar bo'ldi. So last week, where did Mrs. Mills go? Where did Mrs. Mills go? You know, she went to London. Good. Does she know London very well? London yaxshi bilamdi? No, she doesn't know London very well. So, where did she see a man? Where did she see a man? Nerede gördü? Near a bus stop. Bir avtobus bekleri gördü, shunami? So, what did she say to him herself? O o'z-o'ziga nima dedi? You know, I can ask him the way. Men unga yo'l so'zsam bo'ladi. Chunki ezib qolgan yo'lni qana? Unga so'zsam bo'ldi deb qo'y. Dedi, shunami? And what did she say? U nima dedi? Okay, excuse me, can you tell me the way to King Street, please? Demak, endi shu King Streetga boraylik deydi, shunami? Sabablar balla, meni mehmonxonam bordigan yo'lda bera olamsiz? Can you tell me the way to my hotel? All right. So did you understand English? Sorry, did he understand English? Did he? No, he didn't. Okay, tushunmaydi ekan, shunami? Hamsa mashundan keyin ham o'yin bo'lganini tanlab qo'yinglar, savollar. Birinchisi. I did not blah blah blah blah blah English. I did not A know, B see, C understand. Okay, I did not nima deymiz shunda? I did not understand English. Men inglizceni tushunmayman. I don't understand. So how to it in English? Okay, how to speak? B talk, C say. how to say demdik deymiz. Yeah, how to say in English. How to say it in English. Endi buni ingliz tilida nima deydi u, nima deb ataydi u degan gap. How to say it in English. Okay. Can you give me a help? Yordam. Can you give me a hand? Bir qo'lingizni ya can you give me a foot? Bir putingizni beramiz siz. Putingizni berib basingiz bo'lam bu. Buni can you give me a hand? Okay. Give somebody hand deganimiz hamda nima degan gap desanlar. Yordam qilmoq degan gap. Ammo help degan sanog'i bo'lmaydi qasim mana. Okay. Ana footga siz bir putingizni menga berib turamsiz. Endi bir qo'lingizni berib tursangiz bo'lamdi deganga yordam qilish. Putingizni berib turishga yordam qilish olmaydimi? Ammo aydonlashtirib Okay. Ems qaranglar. One, Lily doesn't know Hong Kong very well, so she last month, okay, lost the way, losing her way, lost her way, lose her way. Okay, endi men last month o'tgan zaman ekan. Nima cho'qim feelni o'tgan zamanni tanlaymiz. Buni qarab tanlab bi bilan sin tanlab etdik, bi bilan din tanlab etdik. Qilib qolgan qanday desanlar, ammo si, chunki Lily qizchaq. Shunga ha deydigan gap. Endi keyingisi you'd better drive at night. You'd better drive slow, careful. Okay, slowly. Endi bu shakilning nima keldi? Ravish keladi. Nima astalda, slowly. Okay, number 3. Excuse me, can you tell me the way the big band dedi. Can you tell me the way to big band? Nima? Qaqaga keldi bu. So where blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah you yesterday afternoon in the library. Okay, and then you guys going to be feeling where were I was and the shagging him where were you yesterday afternoon? To again thinking is I was in the library. I mean library did them. So how silly of me. The man said, okay, the said himself and or actually himself. He jabber callback him, jabber dut him. How silly of me! Where is my watch? I can't A. Look for, B. Find, C. Find out, D. Look. Silence qaysi to'g'ri? Talabanglar 1. Okay. I can't find it. Men uni topolmadim shunami? And the look for degan jarayonni ko'rsatdi, izlash degan gap Allah. Find degan shu natija. Men uni qanaqa qilaman? Topolmadim. And find out degan hamda shu his qilib chiqmoq, tep chiqmoq degan gap. Bu nima desanglar? Shuni ma'lum bir qiyin masalaning ochiq javobini tep chiqish was find out. Look degan qaramoq, shunami? My father, blah blah blah blah blah, his hand into the bag. And out a storybook. Again, the man, so my father, put it, hatalam, put no o'tgan zaman shaklan, put, shkins to'g'ridek qiladi. Lekin hamda miyariki, oddiy hozir zaman shakl ekan. And C qarsam, to'g'ri ekan ku. C. I put his hand into my bag and took out a phrase book. Okay, the waiter smiled. Blah blah blah blah. And the night pleasantly. Pleasantly. Okay, it suddenly started to rain. We ran into the house. Okay. He suddenly started to rain and we run into the house. Okay, biz uyga rain xatayizlik qildi. Run into the house hurriedly. Aldirab saldirab degan gap. Cho'qim shu ravish keladi. Demakchi shuningki usuliy holatini ko'rsa nima? Aldirgan holda. John can speak English. Okay, night yaxshi degan. Very well. Okay, John English very well. Night yaxshi qana qildi? So'zlaydi. Amsi qaranglar balla. You know what he says. Okay, understand. Nima? Bu understand degan gap. Tushunmak shunami? This is a book where you can find a phrase. It's called phrase book. You can get on and get off the bus here. It's a bus stop. Bus stop degan boshlanish bekatida oxirlash bekatida emas, o'tirdiga to'xtab yuradigan bekatlarni bus stop deymiz. Don't eat quickly. You mustn't eat quickly, slowly. Shunami? Tizimem, astrak yani. It's the capital of England. London. Yani bir yere capital dediğimiz payitahtı. It is the capital of London. Bu ne? Sorry, England olsa ne? London. Yani mesela Beijing is the capital of China. Beijing olsa Cungo'nun kendimse payitahtı. Buldu valla. Bugünkü dersiz müşahede olsun. Anlığınlarına köptün köp rahmet. And see you next time. Goodbye.